Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. You have to start by open Baseus application and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. Then you will see them at the device list. Just tap at your device. And then, right here at the right bottom, we have the settings icon. Click at this icon. And right here at the third line, we have software version. So right here you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.